Have you ever wondered how a radar works? So today we are going to be building a simple radar system that will help you understand how a radar works.
So these are the components that we'll be using in making the radar system. So this is the breadboard where all the connections are going to be done. This will act as the brain of the radar system, which is an Arduino Uno. This is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the buzzer. And this is the servo motor that will be rotating. And this is the LCD screen. And finally we'll be needing 18 jumper cables.
Taps the whiteboard, 1 wave, 2 waves more. Time it on a stopwatch, that's how far, not what for. Victor sketches arrows, labeled out and back, laughing when the doodles look like a comic attack.
Tiny burst of energy, rushing through the rain, bounces off a raindrop, runs right back again.
Radar, radar, show me where they are. Lips on a screen like a map of the stars. Send out a shout, hear the world reply. Measure the time, see the unseen fly. Radar, radar, lighting up the dark, turning quiet air into bright marks.
From storms above the ocean to planes we cannot see,
It's counting every heartbeat of the air around you and me.
so it's like we're asking questions and the sky is answering.
Yeah. Every echo is a story, and Victor's writing everything.
We send it out, we watch it come from empty space to data sun. Radar, radar, show me where they are. Lips on a screen like a map of the stars. Send out a shout, hear the world reply. Measure the time, see the unseen fly. Radar, radar.
So we are now going to plug in the Arduino and upload our code into it. Yeah. So let's begin uploading.
It's counting every heartbeat of the air around you.
As you can see, it's coming up.
So it's like we're asking questions.
Yes, that is. So the servo motor's control is moving in different angles, as you can see on the screen, and measuring the distance. So this is.
Send it out, we watch it come from empty space to data
So if it detects motion around it that is not metered, it's going to be, the buzzer is going to be going off.
Great to join us today. This has been us debugging the radar system. Join us next time as we try to debug more systems and understand how they work. Sydiantech, the brand of the mission.
radar.